Namaste YouTube. Welcome back to a new video. It's quite hot over here. Is here Madrappa? You guys know, right? Today we are going to try one chip challenge. That is Cholo chip challenge.
What do you mean by we?
Sorry, not we. They are going to try.
Exactly.
Because my tongue is sensitive and it's not my cup of tea.
He's just scared. He's just scared.
Yeah, whatever. Ask their opinion before eating the chip.
So yeah, I think it's definitely overripe. I don't think it will be that spicy. So let's see. I'll give the after video how the taste was.
What do you say, Ando?
It's just a piece of cake.
So just a piece of cake for him. Let's see.
Single bite and single take chips.
Oh,
It's overripe. I'll eat it in just a jiffy.
let's see.
These are the stuffs our boys have
Kept for the challenge. Oreo milkshake, Coca-Cola.
No, those are Mississippi muds, and this one's a lassi, and this is a
in
Ferrero
case
Rocher
this gets
milkshake.
spicy. So
And we have
and we do have sweets and a bottle of Coke.
From Chappe's doctor.
all the best, guys.
Thank you.
Wait. I have a surprise for you all. The winner who lasts for the longest time gets a brand new iPhone 12.
Whoa!
That's mine. That's mine.
Winner in the
That's
sense
mine.
who eats the full chip and then lasts for the longest amount of time.
Without having any drink or sweetener.
It's me, Darshan.
Let's see.
So now let's unbox the chip and see what's inside. Here it's written Jolo chip, one black Delhi chips inside. Last chip challenge. So this is the logo. It's only 5 grams, so it costs 200 rupees. A pretty costly chip just for just one piece. So when you get inside, you will see can you handle the deadly chip. It's made up of Carolina pepper. So it's actually 200 times the spice we eat, the regular chili or pepper we eat. Here it's written short term of speech, more than 5. I think this is overhyped. It's just shit. Nothing such happens. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos there. They have just overhyped it. So next you can see this is the chip we'll be eating. This is the sort of packaging you get, and they say any last words. The Reaper is waiting. If you see the nutritional facts, it's 0.43 grams of protein, 23.44 grams of energy. Anyways, leave that, doesn't matter actually. What matters is the ingredients: corn, Carolina oil, edible activated charcoal powder, Carolina Reaper, tindered scorpion, ghost pepper, jalapeno seasoning, iodinized salt, calcium propanate, sodium propanate. So I think because of the calcium and sodium is what the excess of spice we have, I think that just erodes the taste buds and we feel the heat and the spice. Anyways, we think it's just a piece of cake, it's overripe. So when we eat it, we'll know how it is.
3,
Let's start.
2, 1. Boys, let's start.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay.
Holy! Boys, are you ready? I just think the powder in it is a lot more spicier.
Ready,
Just don't hold it in your hand.
Don't touch your eyes, please. Ready?
Wait. Wow.
Let's eat.
It's just a black chip.
It's just a black chip covered with lots and lots of spices. I think.
Yeah.
My chips just become 2 pieces.
How it is, guys?
It's not that spicy.
Yes, it's spicy, but not that much.
Wait till it kicks in.
It's been.
Let's see.
The timer is started. Let's see who wins the challenge.
It's not that spicy.
Oh!
It's not. That's not that spicy. ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲೋ. Oh fuck, OMG. So yeah, can I have my iPhone? Oh, why?
Oh, they're still in the challenge. Oh, Anish is dropping out. No?
No. Oh, kivielo numboktundu. Oh fuck.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Unfortunately, though, the memory of the camera got full and the recording had stopped. None of us noticed it. Luckily, though, we did capture a shot on a GoPro. Check it out. The boys just ate the chip. Let's ask their review.
One bite has become 3 bites in my mouth, and I'm literally crying.
Freak. How do you feel, bro? No. How do you,
It's
brother?
not that spicy. You'll know why at the end of the video.
Yeah. These are the conditions of my bros here.
It's been 3 minutes 17 seconds.
My esophagus is burning.
Mine is.
Guys, how is the after Jolo chip
No,
experience?
it's nothing. It's not spicy at all. The only problem is I can't open this.
Everyone
That's
will
the
guess
problem.
why it's not spicy for you, bro.
Comment down below why I'm not feeling any spiciness.
What about you, brother?
It was actually very spicy in the beginning, but now it's like, okay, it's manageable.
Enjoying
I mean, it's
his
not
drink.
that spicy now.
Yes, the winner speech.
Wait, I'll eat some sweet.
Yeah, let him eat first. What about the runner?
Spicy in the beginning. It's okay, but my throat is still burning.
He's shivering actually.
Don't try this at home, please.
Yeah. Now, please. He's still busy in eating.
And
And now we have a winner of the challenge here. Who gets this iPhone 12 mini?
I have eaten this.
Yeah. You can see all boys are puking right now. Except
Except us. Because you know why? If you know why, then comment down below.
And one more thing, please do not try this without any advice
Yeah.
guidance.
Yeah.
It's really danger, and we are not responsible for it. If anything happens for
Yeah.
it. So please watch our video and subscribe to our channel. Like, hit
Share.
the bell icon, and share too.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you till the next video.
video.